Hello guys, welcome to the Triune Physics aka Physics Bible. Here's a question before us. An object of mass, 2 kilogram, moves with a uniform speed of 10 meters per second for 5 seconds, along a straight path. Now we are asked to determine the magnitude of its acceleration. Is that clear? So solution, let's extract the data from here. By extracting these data, we have the given data to be our mass is 2 kg, right? Yes, that is 2 kg. Then we have our speed, which is uniform speed of 10 meters per second, okay? Then our time is 5 seconds. Is that clear? T is 5 seconds. Then we are asked to determine the magnitude of its acceleration. Now, if you observe that, then our A is equal to question mark. So for us to be able to calculate for A, since the velocity is uniform, okay? Since it's uniform, then our acceleration will equal to 0 because there's no change in speed. Now, if you observe, acceleration is the change in velocity over time, okay? And the change in velocity is 0, which is constant, uniform. Is that clear? So if we substitute that into this equation, but change in velocity is equal to 0. So let's substitute so that A will now equal 0 all over change in t, which is theta t. So everything gives you 0, which is why our answer is 0. Is that clear? Connect to our social media handles at PhysicsBible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.